Hello students, I am Pankaj Tiwari from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, and I am your subject teacher of General Knowledge, Class 7. Students, in this video, I am going to discuss the topic books on page number 80 in your textbook. Let us start our topic. Students, books are the storehouse of knowledge. You know, books contain various subject and various types of information. Imagine how difficult it would have been to store knowledge in the absence of book. People would have to learn everything orally, handed down through the generations. Surely books are the best assets of human being. And one of the best friend of human being is book as well. Let us start our topic that gives the information about various kind of book. Our first question is a book listing and explaining the words of language arranged in an alphabetical order. Friends, you have to tell the name of book that listing and explaining a word and all the words whose meaning you are looking for in this book is in alphabetical order. Students, you know very well this is dictionary. So you will fill dictionary in question number 1. Our first answer is dictionary. Now move to question number 2. A book or a set of book giving information about every branch of knowledge arranged in an alphabetical order. It is a kind of book that gives information about every topic of that particular subject and every information in this book is also in alphabetical order. Students, this book is known as encyclopedia. You will fill encyclopedia in question number 2. Now move to question number 3. Students, question number 3 is a book with a list of people's name, addresses of business, companies, etc. in a district in an alphabetical order. Students, this is a book which contain the name of peoples who are professionals and address of their business, their companies in a particular district, in a particular city, and same as alphabetical order. Students, this kind of book is known as directory. You will fill directory in question number 3. Your answer will be directory. You will fill directory in question number 3. Now move to question number 4. Our next question is question number 4. This is a book in which things such as photographs or stamps can be kept. You have to tell the kind of book in which we store photograph or stamps that you can purchase from post office. Students, this kind of book is called album? You will fill album in question number 4. Now move to question number 5. Question number 5 is a book which has separate space for each day of the year are to record daily event are thought day by day. Students, this is a very special kind of book in which on its each pages date of year, individual date of year is mentioned on top, and you will write your daily event or thoughts day by day. Students, this kind of book is popular as diary in our society. You will fill diary in question number 5. Now move to question number 6. A book in which a company's account are kept. Students, you have to tell a name of this kind of book in which the account of a company are stored annually, half yearly, monthly, weekly, etc. Students, this kind of book is called ledger. You will fill ledger in question number 6. Now we will move to question number 7. A very thin book with a paper cover that gives information about something. Students, this is a very thin book and paper cover, and its paper cover give information about some specific topic. Students, this kind of book is called pamphlet. You will fill pamphlet in question number 7. Now we will move to question number 8. A book or a magazine that is published once a year under the same title but new content. Students, you have to tell a book or magazine that published once in a year. एक ऐसी बुक जो साल में सिर्फ एक बार पब्लिश हो. स्टूडेंट्स, कोई भी इवेंट अगर साल में एक बार होता है तो उसको हम लोग एनुअल बोलते हैं. यू विल फिल annual in question number 8. Now we will move to question number 9. A book in which a collection of writing by different writers are published together. You have to tell the name in which the various content of different writer are published in a single book. Students, this kind of book is called anthology. You will fill anthology in question number 9. Now we will move to question number 10. Students, question number 10 is a book containing a record of the daily attendance of children at school. You know very well, it is attendance register. You know, स्टूडेंट्स, एक ऐसी बुक जिसमें हर दिन आप लोगों का अटेंडेंस होता है. योर डेली अटेंडेंस आर रिकॉर्ड इन दिस स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ बुक एंड इट इज कॉल्ड रजिस्टर. स्टूडेंट्स, यू विल फिल रजिस्टर इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. योर क्लास टीचर मस्ट कैरी रजिस्टर इन फर्स्ट पीरियड व्हेन you join your class after the assembly. Students, now we will move to our next topic, and that is can you compute. Our next topic is can you compute. You have to complete the given crossword to see how well you know your computer terms. Students, let us start our next topic, that is can you compute, and for this we have hints are given below in across and down form. Students, hitting control plus S. Question number 1 is hitting control plus S will do this to your document sort for application. Students, you know very well when you press control plus S, we can save our document. So you will write save in across first. S is given, you will fill A V E. Your correct answer is save. Now we will move to question number 2. Sort for application. Students, you know very well sort for application is app. So you will fill app in second question A double P app. Now we will move to question number 3. Question number 4 in across. Question number 3 is given in down. A well-known search engine and creator of fun doodles. Students, a well-known search engine. You know there are various search engine are available on internet like Google, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, but it also create fun doodles. Students, it is Google. You will fill Google in question number 4 across. You will fill here Google. Now we will move question number 7 of across. A popular game that center around placing and breaking blocks. Students, this is a very popular game that move around placing and breaking block. Student, it is Minecraft and you will fill Minecraft in question number 7 across. It is M is given, N F T. It is Minecraft. Students, now we will move to next question, that is question number 10 in across. This device allow you to type. Students, you know very well which device this is. This is keyboard. So you will fill keyboard in 10th across. K is given. You have to write next letter EY. Keyboard. Now we will move to question number 11. You use this device to point and click. Students, you have this device after reading the sentence. It is mouse. You will fill mouse in question number 11 across. M is given, so you will write U-O-U-S-E, mouse. Now we will move to next question, that is question number 12 across. An iPad of this kind of device. Students, iPad, you know, it is tablet of Apple company. So iPad is generally a tablet. You will fill tablet in question number 12 across. And T is given, so you will fill next letter tablet. Now we will move to next question. Question number 14. The Angry Game. Students, you know the full name of this game is Angry Dash, that is birds. You will fill angry birds in question number 14. You have to fill only birds because angry is given and B is given, so you will write BIRDS, means IRDS you have to fill. Now move to down. In down, our first question is to make accessible to other user. Students, we use share feature to make accessible our device to other person. Students, we will fill share in question number 1 down. S is given and last letter E is given, so you have to fill H A R, and share is a feature to accessible our document to other person. Now we will move to question number 3 down. More than a billion users go to this website to post and watch video. Students, you know which video blogging site about which we are discussing in question number 3. It is YouTube. You will fill YouTube in question number 3 down. Y is given, so you will fill our answer is YouTube. Now next question is the World Wide Web. Students, you know the World Wide Web is generally called Internet. You will fill Internet in question number 5 downward. I is given, you will fill next letter Internet. Now we will move to next question, that is 6. You can carry this kind of computer around. You know about which type of computer we are talking that can easy to carry. It is laptop. You will fill laptop in question number 6 downward. L is given, so you have to fill further letters LAP TOP, laptop. Now I am going to next question, that is question number 8. The screen that display images and accompanies a desktop computer. Students, you know the screen that display letter, images, video of computer is monitor. You will fill monitor on question number 8 down. M is given, so you have to fill next letters of it, that is O N I T O R, monitor. Now move to question number 9. Send a quick note from your phone. Students, to send note from your phone we have to take help from text, so you will fill text in question number 9 down. T is given, so you have to fill EXT, yani next 3 letter, and it make text. And now students, the last question, that is question number 13. One of the original computer companies that also share a name with a fruit. Students, you know about which company I am talking. It is Apple. You will fill Apple in question number 13 down. Since E is given, so you will enter first 4 letter, that is A, P, P and L, and it whole make Apple, which is world largest computer company. So students, that's it from my today's video. In next video we will discuss some more interesting topic of GK. Until then, have a great day.